we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
What's up mga pards? Another day, another vlog. This is Bihar Umbong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga pards, it's another hotel vlog. And join me as we tour around the Marco Polo Plaza Cebu here in Cebu City. But before anything else mga pards, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Please like, share, and comment down below if you have questions. Click the notification bell so that you're always updated whenever I upload new videos. So without further ado mga parts, let's go! I-tour na natin ang Marco Polo Plaza Cebu. Let's go!
Uno, dos, tres.
So, syempre mga parts, let's do a room tour. Yan. So, itong room mga parts is a deluxe standard room na Marco Plaza Cebu. And ito, pagpasok nyo, of course, nandyan yung keycard, yung switch. Medyo classic na kasi itong Marco Polo mga parts. Medyo matagal na siya. Pero malinis pa din, tsaka well-maintained. So, nandito yung built-in closet. Meron silang ayan, chinelas tsaka bathroom. Yun, kailangan ko ng plancha. Wala silang plancha. So, mag-request tayo. And there's hair dryer over here. Meron ditong vault or safe. Yan. And then dito yung mga complimentary mini bar. Meron silang water and tea and coffee. And over here is the mini rep for the mini bar. Pero wala siyang laman. And meron dito ang whole body mirror. And of course over here you can put your luggages. There's a TV. But I think this is not yet a smart TV. Medyo luma na siya. And a queen size bed. There's two side table over there. I think medyo refurbish na tong Marco Polo. Medyo last year piling ko mas luma, parang mas bago, mas madami sila. I think enhance pa naman nila to. And this is carpeted. Mixed of and carpeted. So yeah, minsan kasi may mga allergies. And over here is a chill chair. And meron ditong working table with a mirror and yung mga saksakan nila. So yeah. Ito yan mga parts. Ang view dito. And the view from my room is taran! Top Cebu. So over there is the Tops already going up there. Yun yung mga sikat din na pinupuntahan dito sa Cebu, yung Tops. And yeah, may mga residential over there. Yeah, pero yeah, malapit na to sa Top Cebu. Medyo malayo yung location nito to the airport. So I suggest if you were going here in Cebu and medyo limited yung time mo, this is actually a medyo malayo yung location niya. And this is the washroom. Ayan. So meron dito sink. Yung malaking mirror over here. May towel. And ito yung mga, in fairness sa kanilang mga toiletries. Merchant of Venice. Medyo bumawi sila dyan. Ito yung toilet bowl. Shower. I think nirenovate nila itong shower. Yan. There's a towel over here. And yeah. Yun mga parts yung room tour. And then tutur ko naman kayo sa iba pang mga amenities dito sa Marco Polo Cebu. Okay? Good morning mga parts. So ngayon nandito tayo sa labas ng Marco Polo. And Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ano, yung labas before we head on to the breakfast at Cafe Marco. So, yan. May parking lot naman dito sa Marco Polo. Ayan mga parts, so, madami naman. I think wala silang basement parking, I'm not sure. Pero this is Marco Polo. From the outside, it's very classy. And actually may mga condo na rin na Marco Polo. So, ngayon mga parts ay let's go. Pasok tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung lobby. Ay, may mga Lexus dito na pinata-test drive. Sana soon magkaroon tayo ng Lexus or in the future. Not naman soon, but in the future. Claim natin yan. Ang ganda naman ito. Wow. So, ito yung lobby ng Marco Polo. So, Christmas na ngayon mga parts kami rin. Mga Christmas decorations. Oh, grabe. Ang ganda naman ito. So, yun ang maganda pa din talaga dito mga parts sa Marco Polo. Yung kanilang lobby. Grandus. Kasi mga parts, ibang hotel, yun minsan, ano na, hindi na masyadong nagpo-focus sa lobby. Pero tingnan mo sa Marco Polo. Ayan. And, ito meron pa rin ditong parang, ano, restaurant din to pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung pangalan. Kasi mga parts, try nyo dito yung Malicious Cookie sa Cafe Marco. Ang sarap. Andyan yung reception or yung lobby. Ito yung kanilang stairs to the function rooms. And doon yung mga way to the elevator. May isa pang Chinese restaurant dito mga parts. Ayan, pero I think may time lang yan. May mini kubo dito. Dyan yung elevator. And ayan yung Hai Shindu seafood or tsaka Chinese. Ganda ng Christmas tree ng Christmas. It's ano, it's uyo. Tawag sa amin dyan uyo. Sa coconut galing yun. So after dito sa lobby mga parts, pakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung pwede nyong ma-expect sa kanilang breakfast buffet dito sa Cafe Marco. Let's go! So mga parts, let's go sa Cafe Marco, yung breakfast buffet dito sa Marco Polo. Ayun yung mga condo nila. This is, good morning! 12:24.
12:24.
Yes.
That's under Mr. Arlan. You can call Mr. Arlan.
Hello, good morning. Ito yung Cafe Marco mga. Pakita ko sa inyo yung okay. Ito muna tayo. So we'll be here. Dito na lang po.
May offer you coffee.
So mga parts, ayan. Umpisahan natin dito sa kanila mga breads. They have chocolate muffin, vanilla muffin, cheese truffle, banana loaf, soft roll. Ay, ang daming croissant mga parts. They have pana chocolate or chocolate croissant, strawberry latas, lattes, Danish bread, turnover. Ayan, yung mga gingerbread house sila. And, yan. Dami silang mga varieties of bread actually. Uy, parang masarap ka ubulo. And different set of jams as well. They have so many. This one is strawberry food. Ito maya. And pancakes. And then here they have the main, I think the main course. Yeah. At naghanap tayo ng danggit eh. Potato glaze. And this is oatmeal egg section or egg station. And ito I like yung kanilang mga dim sum. Yeah. Siyempre may mga rice. Ito naman yung pork longganisa. All they have really is style life. Kasi meron silang ano yung chocolate pulled, yung champurrado, and yung soup section, noodle section they have. Oh, I like this one. Actually, ang daming option dito mga parts. Ito naman, salad bar. Salads and maki. Thai maki, California maki. And then the cheeses and oatmeal cereals. And I think these are the desserts. They have yogurt and fresh fruits here. And assorted juices and water. Wow! Pero parang walang danggit. So yun mga parents, it's the buffet, breakfast buffet here at Cafe Marco. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea. So let's go, let's eat na! So mga parents, ayan, beef noodles. And mga parents, the danggit is upon request. So nag-request ako ng danggit. And tada! Meron na sila ng danggit. I love danggit. So yun lang actually kinuha ko. Dilis at saka garlic rice. Sa dami ng mga buffet na. Ito lang gusto ko. Happy na tayo mga parts sa danggit. So let's go, let's eat. Sa mga parts, ayan. Nandito yung wellness pa sa basement, gym, salon, and yung way to the point. Ito yung mga parts. Yung kanilang gym. Pero today hindi ako nakapag-workout. So, this is the gym. Yeah, they have cardio and I think they also have free weights. Ay mga parts, bukas na tayo mag-workout. Yung gym nila. So now let's go to ayan, meron silang spa. Sabana Spa. And this way to the swimming pool. Kids playroom and salon. Mga pwede ito yung swimming pool. Check natin mga parts kung na-maintain nila yung swimming pool. Kasi mga parts, I already have a vlog dito sa Marco Polo. Check nyo sa aking YouTube channel. Wow! Uy, may mga daybeds. Daybeds over here. And yung pool hours is 6 to 9. No eating and drinking. Tantan! Wow! So nice naman, the pool. So this is the kiddie pool. And that's the adult pool. Wow! Ganda! Parang gusto ko tuloy mag-swimming bukas. Ito na actually yung Cafe Marco. Ayun na siya. May access din dun sa buffet. Wow! So yun mga parents. Ito yung kanilang swimming pool. Ganda. Ganda rin ang weather today. Kasi ito yung room natin. Okay. So there you have it mga parts. Tapos na naman ang ating quick vlog featuring itong Marco Polo Plaza Cebu. And as you can see, even if matagal na or medyo matagal na itong Marco Polo Plaza Cebu, actually this is one of the first grand hotel here in Cebu City. As I remembered, I stayed here around 2008 or 2009 or 10, around that year, and parang for me it's still the same, especially the lobby. They were able to maintain yung lobby. Ang ganda pa rin niya, grand views pa rin siya. And also, the thing that I can always remember is the Marco or Cafe Marco buffet or yung breakfast buffet nila. Lagi yun na nilulook forward ko dito sa Marco Polo Plaza Cebu. And yes mga parts, hindi naman tayo nabigo because it's still the same. Although parang nare-remember ko lang, medyo kumukonti yung mga selections, but it's still the quality of food and the service, it's still there. The amenities, medyo yun lang. Siyempre, kailangan nilang humabol and mag-upgrade kasi siyempre habang tumatagal, medyo naluluma na yung mga gamit nila. And of course, the room, nakita ko naman there's an upgrade and innovation that they did here in their room. So, yun mga parts. And if you're asking about the price, maraming mga promo din sa Agoda booking app and all of the booking sites that you can search in Google depending on the season that you will be going here to Cebu. And then in terms of the location mga parts, as I mentioned, malapit na to sa Top Cebu. So ideally, if you're going here for business or for touring near here sa Tops or sa Busay, dito siya malapit. Although, pwede din naman kayo magstay dito if you're going to the city. Siguro mga 20 minutes, 15 minutes depending on the traffic. But meron din ako mga vlogs featuring other hotels in Cebu. So check my channel and please make sure that you subscribe so that you'll have an idea. But definitely one of a consideration if you're looking for a hotel, a classic and very good hotel here in Cebu City. So yun mga parts, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea and you enjoy this video. But please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 3,000 subscriber tayo mga parts. And please like, share, and if you have questions, please comment down below. Hit the notification bell so that you're always updated whenever I upload new videos. And please follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and also in TikTok. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos, stay safe and healthy. Bye!